What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. The world of streaming and obviously voiceover stuff is becoming incredibly popular. It's very expensive to get started. However, a company called Maono reached out and said, would you like to check out the monitorable USB condenser microphone set? And I was like, yeah, of course, send it over and let's take a look at it. It's a professional audio solution with the boom arm and the pop filter. So what you get is you got high res sampling rate, compatible with Windows and Mac OS, cardioid polar pattern, 16mm mic capsule that goes inside it, professional sound chipset, full metal casing, USB 2.0 though, and of course a boom arm. So if we spin it round and pop this at the bottom, there we go. And then we pop it open like so. So what you get is you get this type of filter that goes over the microphone itself. You then of course get the actual pop filter with the logo on it. Looks really good, feels good, doesn't feel cheap. I mean, this right here is very flexible and it's got a clamp on the end so you can clamp it to the arm. Taking this part out, you've got your user manual, the base the microphone sits in, your cable for connecting to your computer and into the microphone itself, metal clamp to sit on the edge of the desk and move in the arm and stuff like that. So there's that, and then there is the boom arm. As you can see, quite long, extends out. Won't extend it out just yet, but as you can see, nice spring loaded boom arm. You get the microphone, so we'll take that out. So there we go, there is the microphone. Headphone input right there so you can check it. You got your mic gain right here, your hole where that USB cable goes into, nothing on the back, a nice glossy black ring around it, and it is of course 360 audio by the looks of it too. But let's go ahead and take this part off. It's got a protector over this part right here, so you can take that off if you wanted to. So this is what it's going to look like with that other microphone filter over the top. So professional audio, pop filter. It's going to stop them expletives coming out your mouth. And of course, when you've got it this way and you're streaming, you know, and you've got it up to your mouth, obviously you'll be able to talk. I'll take that off for now. I'll just be using the pop filter for this video. Just know that you do get this in the box. I'm not going to place it on the boom arm today. I'll just be using the microphone to show you what it sounds like, but the fact that you get the boom arm is superb. And of course this is what your microphone is going to sit into when you've got it all set up on the boom arm, so you can have it upside down or you can have it the right way up. And of course this part will sit on the boom arm itself. Okay, so now it's great that you get the boom arm and stuff like that. However, what you want to hear right now, of course, is what this actually sounds like. So we got the wire, we got the MacBook Pro, and the microphone itself. So we're going to go ahead and test it out now. I'm going to use just a standard voice memo app, I think, because obviously I don't want to use Audacity where I can manipulate sound. Let's go ahead and connect this up. Plug it into the base of the microphone. Like so. So now that's in, all lit up. As you can see, green lights just come on. You can touch the microphone as well to turn it on or off, so that's very clever. So you touch that, it turns the mic off, touch that, it turns it back on. So let's go to the voice memo app. Voice memo, there we go. So the next clip that you're going to hear is going to come from this microphone from the voice memo app. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. If you're streaming, this is what your audio is going to sound like coming from the Maono microphone with the standard pop filter on it right here. I can move it close to my mouth and I can move it far away. Doesn't really matter where it is. This is the sound you're going to hear from this microphone. So there we go, guys. That's what you're going to hear coming from this microphone right here. Now I think that is pretty good. If you're looking for a microphone, a cheap microphone just to get started, this is where you need to be looking. As long as you can plug it into your computer and use all the settings that you're going to need, and the fact that you can just turn the mic off using this is absolutely superb. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I really like this and I'm really happy they sent it out to me. Who knows, maybe once I get my setup all done, maybe I will start streaming. But let me know what you think of this microphone in the comment section down below. I'm going to leave it in the description where you can pick it up yourself on Amazon, along with two other microphones they do. They'll be in the description down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Drop a like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on. See you all soon, guys. Take care, stay safe. Rah.